In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Revolut. So once you're inside of the app, next to accounts, you're going to see cards, and then the next tab is going to be stocks. So you want to click on that. And here you can see that I already have some stocks which I bought previously. They are blurred for safety requirements. But what you want to do first is you first want to add money to your stock trading account. So you simply add money, and then you can choose the amount you want to add, and then you go and fund it. You can see that I just funded $50 into my stock account. I don't know why I did that, but anyway. And then the next step you want to do is you want to click on invest, and then you want to search for, let's say, any stock that you want. Let's say in this case, it would be Apple. So let's say that you would like to buy $50 of stock of Apple. So you want to click buy, and then you want to select, let's say, $40. So you are going to get 0.24 shares of Apple, because one share right now costs $164. And then you just simply want to click buy Apple. Now, another thing here in the top right corner is you can select how you can buy these stocks. So you can do a market order. So this is going to be you're buying at the current market price. You can also do a limit order. So if it falls to a certain price, then your order is going to be executed. Or you can do a stop order that you can buy Apple if it rises to a higher price. So yeah, this is how you buy stocks on Revolut. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.